everybody, Christina here. I am doing a card tutorial for the stamp set that I am using for today's blog hop for the Cat's Pajamas new release. And this stamp set is called Love Grows Here. Let me grab this piece of paper. And you can see it's really super cute with two little kids on a Vespa, and they're planting a little tree. And you have the sentiments of love grows here. Every moment is a fresh beginning, sending you sunshine smiles, and explore, learn, and live. So that's the stamp set that I'm featuring today. And I have some card pieces that you're going to have to cut, and all of these, if you miss them, don't worry, all of this will be down in the description below, so don't worry, okay? So my first piece, and this is going to be our card base. This piece right here is going to be a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock, and it's just, this will be our card base. I know, seems weird. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. So this piece right here is 8.5 by 4, and in a minute we're going to be scoring this at 5 1/4. Don't worry, I'll say it again when we go to score it. So this little piece, this piece is going to be 5 by 1, so 5 inches long, 1 inch wide, and we're going to score this at 1 in a couple minutes. This piece here is going to be 2 by 3 3/4. And then I have 2 more pieces of patterned paper, and this is going to be 3 by 3 3/4. You need 2 of those. And then these 2 pieces of blue cardstock are 3 1/8 by 3 and, oh my goodness, I have to look, 3 5/8. No, I didn't write that down. So it's 3 1/8 by 3 7/8. Just look at the little pop-up. Don't listen to me. Look at the little pop-up. So again, 3 1/8 by 3, so 3 1/8 wide by 3 7/8 tall. Don't worry, I'll have the pop-ups to correct me. And then here's the little part of the image that I colored from the Love Grows Here stamp set. I did the 2 little kids with the little tree, and all the colors that I used are down below in the directions. So I have my image and then just another die. So I'm going to push these to the side. I'm going to grab my scoreboard so we can get this stuff scored. So I have 2 pieces to score. I'm going to score the blue one first. The blue one needs to be scored at 1. Okay. And then this one here needs to be scored at 5 1/4. There we go. And we are all done scoring. That's all we have to do for scoring. So I'm going to put that away. So this piece, I'm just going to go ahead and fold that. And I'm going to use my bone folder to go ahead and get a really good fold in there. That way it'll lay down nice. And then this one I'm going to go ahead and fold. Make sure that lays down really, really nice. So this piece here, we're actually going to put some tear tape on. That way it's nice and strong, because you know, I don't know, my card is going to my daughter. So I know she's going to be flipping back and forth, and this thing is going to take some loving abuse. So I'm going to put some tear tape on there. Just going to fold that down. It's too long, but I'll just fold it down, no big deal. Sorry about the sun. It just started coming through my window. So I'm going to go ahead and try and center this the best that I can on the side opposite of the fold. So this will fold this way, and then you've got this fold. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and fold that down again. Make sure that it stays. Go over that tape. Make sure that stays on there nice and tight. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my ATG gun, and I'm just going to put ATG on the back of this card. And then I want to make sure, I'm going to put it on my base, but I want to make sure my flaps are going the right direction. And I need to stand up so I can make sure I get this in the nice in there. There we go. So now we have our layers, and I'm going to go ahead and put our layers together. Okay, I had to close my blind really fast. I was getting blinded by the light. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these layers together. Make sure when you cut, especially if you're using stripy paper like this, make sure your stripies are going the right way when you cut it. That way you're not like me and have to cut twice. Sometimes 4 times if you're not paying attention. Yes, been there, done that. Okay, go ahead and there's those 2 layers. Now these 2 layers are just going to go, I'm going to put some adhesive on the back. And this one is going to go right here. It's going to be a tight fit. And that's only because I love my layers. I love to have that little accent of color. So it's going to be a tight fit in there. And we're going to open this up. And this one's going to go on the inside. So this one's going to go right in here. There we go. See? So now this one doesn't have a layer. I just wanted a different, I didn't want it to look all the same. I just wanted a little bit, I love my polka dots, and I just wanted a little bit of extra different color. See, I put that on crooked. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh well, Meadow will forgive me. There we go. Okay, so we're going to move that and then go like this. Now this piece here, you can either put your sentiment there or you can put your sentiment inside. Whoops, wrong. I'm working with like 3 different stamp sets today. So let's see, I'm going to put every moment is a fresh beginning on the front. Because she's having some hard times with her brother. He gives her heck like any sibling. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use, I'm actually going to get my Heroes ink out, my Heroes Hues, my Heroes Art. Because this one, I like my Memento ink for Copics and that, but to get that real nice, luscious, dark black, I really like this ink pad. And you can use archivers, you can use anything you want. This just happens to be my choice. So I'm going to put that right there. There we go. And now for this one, I'm actually going to put adhesive on the back of here. And then I'm going to put this, let's see, I'm going to close this. That way I know where I want it to go, right here, because I want it to be kind of centered in the middle of this panel. Shoot. There we go. Now it's on there. And then I will just slip this in behind. And lay that down. And there we go. And we have that opens that way, that opens that way, and then right here, I'm gonna put Sending You Sunshine Smiles. And don't worry, I'll clean that one off in a second. I always do all my cleaning after I get the video done. So get this all inked up. I worry sometimes I don't get it inked all the time the whole first time, just because I don't want to rock it and get my block all grody badody. So I'm going to put it up here a little bit, just so I can write a little something down below. Ah! Okay, now y'all are going to see the beauty of clear stamps. Let's see if I can do this. And if I mess it up, that is okay, because I can just cut another piece of paper and slide it on in there. Yeah, for some reason I can't get that to, and it's probably me because I don't like to rock, because when I rock stuff, see here, I'll show you, when I rock it, I'll probably get it just fine. Yep. And see, and that's what happens to me. See, it's just me. It's because I'm pushing on the, because these are awesome stamps. I can't even tell you how awesome. I love these stamps. They are fantastic. But it's completely me. So here we go. Here is our cute little card. And you can just keep, you know, wearing on that so it'll bend down. But it's partly this bringing it up too. So there we go. There's our cute little fun little belly fold card. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.